Hello everyone! Today we are going to make a pearl earrings, very simple chain earrings, like this. We are going to need 2 pearls and hairpins like this, and chains. I cut about 3/4 inches, and ear wires. Of course, you can use clip-on earrings, leather back earrings. Also, we're going to need jump links. Using the head pins, put through the pearls like this. Okay, bend the wire 90 degrees. You can bend with your fingers. Now you're going to use pliers and hold the wire like this and bring it over and hold the wires the other way and bring the wire underneath of the chainless pliers. So the shape going to be like this. Before you wrap this wire, take the chain and put through the wire to the end of the chain like this and put through. Now take the flat nose plier and it's easier to wrap with another plier for me, so I take this until this wire going to touch the pearl like this, so this pearl doesn't move much. Now take the jump rings. Jump ring has the open one part in the middle, so you can use pliers to open it, but try to open it like a book, like this way. So it's open like this. Now you can connect with the end of the chain and close the jump ring with pliers. Same thing like a book or doors. Close like this way. Okay, almost done. Okay, now you're going to connect with the findings. Same thing with jump rings. Open this way. Okay. Like that. And close like doors or book. Like this. Okay, done. Okay, very simple, easy earrings. You can try with other stones, or maybe you can change to silver or any other color. Enjoy making your earrings.